Hello, 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 everybody. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and talk about, you all asked me about how to actually spray your bows to make them nice and crispy. So we're going to go ahead and make this exact bow and we're going to spray it. So this is 2-inch moon stitch ribbon. These will be available on my website, hopefully launching tomorrow morning. I will let you all know, and I'll post a link here on TikTok. It'll be in the link in my bio. So have fun shopping, ladies, or everybody, not just ladies. So these are fabuloso. You're gonna love them. So this is 2-inch moon stitch ribbon and then a 2-inch solid underneath. This is 1 yard in length. If you notice, look at, as I'm talking, you can see how it flops, even though it's double layer. That's why the crispiness works, because it keeps your bow nice and stiff. Now, for this video, we're going to go ahead and use the rave. I'm not going to use the krylon because usually I spray this one outside, even though it does say indoor, outdoor, because this is very strong, but it's raining outside, and I kind of don't want to go outside. So this one is fabuloso. This one is the best for the crispiest bows. Your bows are gonna be stiff. Like, you can literally like throw a ball at the bow and it's gonna bounce off. No, I'm just kidding. Not that bad, but you know what I mean. So this really is the best for your bow. But like I said, it's rainy right now and I don't want to go outside. This one does take a little bit longer for the smell to go away. So if you have time, if you are making bows for yourself and you have time, this one will work because you get to air it out. If you don't have time and you're a shipper of you sell bows, this one is going to take a little longer for the smell to go away. Now, this one's my favorite. It is the Rave Mega Freeze 5 times unscented. So it gives no smell when you're crafting. So basically, let's do this. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. So we are using 1 yard of 2-inch moon stitch and 1 yard of solid moon stitch. Now, we're going to go ahead and heat seal the ends, get these flyaways out of the way. Now we're going to go ahead and glue the 2 ends together. And we're going to go ahead and fold in half. And we're going to make sure, you can do it with your fingers. You can do it with the lighter. I don't like doing it with the lighter because I'm always afraid, as I say it many times, that I'm going to burn it and you're going to see the line. It would just be me that it happens to. Now here, see how I did this? I did this solid longer. I'm just going to go ahead and trim it. And we're going to go ahead and heat seal the other end. We're going to go ahead and glue the other end together, the other 2 pieces together. Yay, it's super rainy, so I hope this video comes out nice and clear because it is very, very cloudy out there. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I bet if I had a rain thing outside of my window, it would be fabuloso. I love watching the rain. Okay, that's enough jibber jabber. Okay, so here we go. Here's the middle. And for this one, we're going to do it, we're not going to spread them out like I normally been doing. You're just going to do the line all the way through. If you're going to sew, do not do a really thick line of glue because you're going to sew and it's going to be difficult to pull through. So here, I folded this end in half. We're going to take the one end and you can see the line right here. I'm going to go ahead and put it on there. Let me go do the other one fast before my talking, and then it's going to dry and it's going to get hard. Yeah. The other side the same way. Oops, I want them to touch. Oh, see what happens? You talk too much. Talk too much, Norma. And there we go. Now we have the fabulous figure 8. Now we're going to go ahead and take it and we're going to fold the figure 8 in half. This is a great beginner one. And we're going to go ahead and push down here. We're going to push down on the little ears. I call them ears. We're going to push down on the ears, create some pressure there. And here you have it. Now you're going to bring the first one up. Here's the line and here's the line in the middle. You're going to go ahead and put it over. Make sure the line starts here on your V so you'll create a straight bow. Even I've done them crooked because I'm just in a hurry, not paying attention. Make sure it's straight through all the way. There it is, straight through. You can see it. This is the back end of the bow. Now just turn it around. Put some pressure on your thumb as you're picking it up to make sure you don't let anything slip. Now here, if you're gonna sew, you're gonna sew through here and it would be 6 stitches. And I'm not gonna sew, I'm gonna crease. So here it is, 3 creases. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my zip tie and we're gonna go ahead and close it off. Remember, this is just how I do my bow. Don't come for my zip ties. If you're gonna sew, you would have done it at that part. This is just how I do my bow, so you could do it however you want. There's really no wrong way how to do a bow. If you want to do the bow, this is the front end of the bow. This is the back end. Some people love the back end. Look at how cute it sits. Can you imagine with a different, like, it just sits really cute. Look at that. That's the back end of the bow. Here's your front end. We're going to go ahead and finish it off. Go ahead and bring it up and bring it up. Tell me that does not look fabuloso. Does it look fabuloso? Isn't it beautiful? Look at that bow. Perfection. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the zip tie. We're going to go ahead and get some bad scissors. These are my bad scissors. They're for cutting sequins or your zip ties because they're already dull from me doing that so much. We're not using the good ones on that. No good scissors. Now, I like to add the clip and then I will spray the bow. I'm just careful on the back end before I spray it down that it doesn't get on the clip. I wipe it down afterwards if I get any on the clip. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and add the clip. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, this ribbon is my absolute favorite. Look at how pretty that is. We're going to go ahead and add the lined alligator clip, which will also be on my website. The 3/8 ribbon will also be on my website. Y'all are going to have so much fun. Yay. Okay. Now I went ahead and cut. Go ahead and seal that end. Now we're going to go, it's a little too long for me. I'm going to go ahead and cut it a little more. I'm going to seal it again. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Put the glue, and then we're going to go ahead and hold it for a few seconds. And there we go. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, now let us spray. I like to put it on my hand. I guess I can do it on this. I can do it on this. I can do it on this mat that I have on my desk. Now, I just hold it and I start. And I do it in sections. And then right before I'm done, I just shape it one last time because however it is, it's going to stay like that. And I bring it through and I turn it around. And I kind of lift the clip. Lift the clip. Remember, it's going to stay however you put it. So kind of work it kind of fast. There we go. Look how wet it is. And now I'm just going to go ahead and fix it. And it's going to stay like this. Look at my hands. They're super wet and sticky. But look how pretty it is. And if you find that it's not stiff enough, just do it in between the dried layers. So then wait for this to dry. I usually turn on my ceiling fan in here. And I'll if you have a small fan, you can put it in front. I used to do these so much way back when. I know I need to link my YouTube. Some of the old videos I have on my YouTube are funny. Because they're like from 12 years ago. Okay, so look at how pretty that is. And thanks for watching. I hope this helps. This one is on my Amazon list. The link is in my bio. Go check it out. I have a lot of great stuff on there. A lot of great bow making tips. Things that you might need are on there. This one, I got it at Dollar General. You can probably get it at H-E-B, your local grocery store, Walmart, Target. This one is fabuloso. Try to get the unscented. That way you don't have to worry about airing it out. So that when you do have these on, the smell isn't there for you. I'm going to probably give it another go around once this dries. Thanks for watching. Bye.